Let's hear a practice cheer for Team Homer. Not bad, everybody over here. You'll be cheering for the white and tan dog. That's Tyson. You may recognize Tyson from Beverly Hills, Chihuahua. You know what to do. Let's hear a practice cheer for Team Tyson. Very nice. One by one, our dogs are going to run and jump over our human hurdle, negotiate these slalom poles, blaze through the polka dotted tunnel, jump back over the hurdle, and ring the bell to stop the clock. Now, the louder you guys cheer, the faster your dog will go, and it looks like Team Homer is up first. On your mark, get set, go! I don't know, Team Tyson, do you guys think you can beat that? Let's find out. Team Tyson, on your mark, get set, go!